Let us now begin with the first section of this online training course program on search engine optimization, that is SEO. Now the first topic that we shall go through briefly is Introduction to Search Engines and SEO. It is very important to understand what search engines do, how they behave and how they work, so that it becomes easier for us to understand the need as well as importance of search engine optimization. So let us proceed. Search engines. We would have come across this term plenty of times while accessing internet or while surfing on the web browser online. You would have definitely used some or the other search engine, especially one of the most popular search engine like Google. Just Google it has become a very popular phrase used by people from all age groups whenever they need any information to be searched online. So let us understand what search engines do and what do they actually mean. So what do people do when they want to find some information online, that is on the internet, when they are browsing? Yes, you're right. They indeed go to a search engine like Google or Yahoo or Bing and type their query to get the relevant search results related to the information that they are seeking, and these search results provide them with the required information. They provide numerous search result pages from which you can select the ones that seem most appropriate to you. Simply Google it is the new mantra to find answers to all your queries on the internet. So Google has become more of a friend to the modern generation who are glued to the internet. Now, how do you define a search engine? It is nothing but a kind of software system that has been designed to search for information or data on the World Wide Web, that is www, and then produce the relevant search results. The search result pages produced or displayed as output for your search queries on the search engine are also known as SERPs, or search engine results pages. Now, as you know, for any search request that you input in the search bar on any of the search engines, you would get links or you would get several search engine results pages as the output. More about search engines. Now the search engines, they help you to find out the information in the form of web pages or images or videos or listings. They even consider the query, the search query that you have inserted in the search bar, and then they try their best to find the most relevant or the most suitable answers. You can then select the most appropriate ones that fulfill your requirement for information. Search engines, they are so powerful that they can even produce search results with real-time data. Now they are able to do so with the help of certain search engine algorithms that are executed on a web crawler. Please do not worry about these technical terms like algorithms and web crawler. We shall understand them in detail later during the course of this training program. So, as mentioned over here, search engines like Google or even Yahoo, they have the capability to produce search engine results pages which display real-time data. For example, if you want to check the election voting count that has been happening currently and the latest figures, in case the election results are being announced in a day or two, you can simply type the election voting count in the search bar and get the latest updates from various websites across the internet. Similarly, if there is an event ongoing or if there is a sporting match going on, say a cricket match is going on in some part of the world, and you want to catch up with the real-time data, that is the live score of a cricket match, you can simply enter the name of the countries that are contesting that match and the date, and you will get the results in the form of various websites which have the real-time score for cricket matches. And some of the popular websites for such cricket match scores are crickinfo.com or gocricket.com. Now we are talking about search engines a lot, so it is necessary that we understand which are the most popular search engines as of today. The first one, of course, is Google, which is way ahead in the race for the best search engine. Then following up Google are the Yahoo as well as Microsoft Bing search engines. Now let us have a quick look at the history of search engines. Now, before the invention or advent of search engines, the internet world used to make use of certain efficient search tools and not search engines to find information. Now, some of the earliest search tools utilized were Archie, which was the first known search tool, and following up Archie were some other search tools like Veronica or Jughead. Now, the names, they do not directly refer to the names of the comic series Archies. Instead, the names Veronica and Jughead, they just indicate that these search tools, they succeeded the earliest search tool Archie. So, as mentioned over here, in the very early days, search engines were not used. Instead, the internet world started out by using search tools, and these search tools made use of certain listings and small databases to extract the relevant information. However, these search tools were not comprehensive, and you could not search each and everything, or you could not seek all types of information from such search tools. In the year 1993, the world witnessed the first ever search engine named as W3 Catalog. It was one of the most primitive search engines, and it just about managed to show certain results for information queries. So that was a great beginning in the year 1993 when W3 Catalog was invented, or it took birth, and since then search engines have never looked back. They have always progressed with great advancement. Now, with the advancement of internet over the last couple of decades, several new search engines emerged, such as Yahoo Search, MSN Search, etc. However, it was the emergence of Google around 1998 that made the world to sit up and take notice of search engines and their utility. With a simple search bar, Google changed the entire dynamics of search engines globally. So, the year 1998 marks a key landmark or a key milestone in the progress of search engines utilized online. Now, the Google search engine, it took birth around the year 1998, and since then people have simply embraced it with open wishes. They have utilized Google search as well as the other search engines like Yahoo and MSN to seek information online.